Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2019 Kia Soul EX. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have a place to put your license plate bracket, backup camera, we do have 2 brake lights right here, some nice lights that go along the side, which is pretty handy. We do have splash guards on the front and rear. And moving to the front, we do have a block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Kia grill. Taking a look in the back here, you do get plenty of cargo space. You got a little cargo station there, light, 12 volt, little hooks all around the back, and you can lift this up for additional space as well, and collapse this row if you need more space too. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior. You do get a cup holder and some storage in the door. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, this does fold out for 2 cup holders and some arm space. And you do get a storage bag in the back seat as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space. You have your lights, heated steering wheel, traction on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 80,606 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise control settings, just on your left-hand side with your drive modes, which is just eco mode. You have your voice and phone, volume, and mode right there. And taking a look over to my side, we have cup holders, your parking brake, leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage, gear shift, a little bit of storage with 2 12 volts aux and a USB, heated front seats with your climate controls just right there, your media screens right there. You do get storage underneath as well. You do get your radio, which does have SiriusXM capabilities, media, phone. You do get a Bluetooth hotspot with this vehicle as well, clock and your settings, display, sound, time, Bluetooth system, screensaver, display, illumination. You can adjust the brightness of your screen, which is all pretty nice. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is UB32288B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.